do you line up a sight? You know, how do you look at the target? How do you think about that? How do you take a breath as you pull the trigger?
You can ask all of those top-level shooters that shoot their venue, have you missed every target on this field? And they'll say, yes, we've missed every target. Have you broke every target? Yes, we broke every target. So, like Al said, it comes down to a mental game.
You know, I will say that if anybody says it's easy, you know, they're lying.
There are days when you just feel like you got to grind it out and build your routine, build your process for breaking targets. And then there's other days you go and it feels almost too easy. You build those blocks throughout the years, and that's what it takes to get to the top level of this game.
When I first started, you obviously run through all the different things that you're doing. Your gun mount, your hold point, your stance, where you set your eyes, the leads, everything. As you progress as a shooter, it becomes more and more like walking. When you walk down the street, you don't think right, left, you just walk. You realize that you're not competing against everybody. The person to beat was myself. What is my best? What am I here to do? How am I gonna perform at the level that I'm looking to perform at? Nobody remembers the score. It's really that journey that has you coming back again and again.
What I love about the sport is that it's for everybody. Anybody can find a home. Our shotgun community is so strong across the country.
This is open to anyone. Anyone can come here and shoot and learn.
You might like it, it might not be for you. You might stick with sporting clays, that's okay too. I want to have more opportunities for these kids to have a stronger pathway and a stronger line of sight to go, Mom, Dad, I want to try this thing called trap or Skeet. We have such a strong talent base. What does that talent look like? It's super important for the Olympics, for Team USA, and for the future of the shooting sports. And it could be kids that are 12 and 13 right now.
I want to get more people into the game, grow their experience, grow their knowledge, and help them be successful. You know, maybe live that dream that I've been blessed to live and compete in the last 2 Olympics.
I want us to continue to lead the world. To show them excellence, greatness, discipline. We can do that like nobody else can.
You're talking about a discipline that's been in the Olympics for over 100 years.
Yeah. To get ourselves set up for the next Olympics, which is in LA, you know, and that's a big one for us.
When they come to LA, we want to make them listen to that Star Spangled Banner as many times as we possibly can.
I know.
Do you mind if we finish the game? We got a real nail biter going here.